Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the in-text questions and the exercise of chapter 11, the human eye and the colorful world. Okay, here we are going to see the in-text questions mainly and the exercise, some part of the exercise. So that is the one more part will be there of this. Okay, then we will completely discuss the exercise. Okay, here let's see what is the first question is. Here the first and third question because it is having the same some related questions. That's why. What is mean by power of accommodation of the eye? Now you are familiar with the power of accommodation, correct? What is the ability of the eye to see the nearby object as well as the faraway objects? That is what the power of accommodation of the eye. Okay. Now, what is the far point and the near point of the human eye? Now, you know that we cannot see an object which is very near to us. So that the near point is you know that it is of 25 centimeter, isn't it? That is called the least distant of distinct vision, correct? That is 25. That is the near point is 25 centimeter. Now, what is the far point means you know that we can see an object which is too far away from it. Even stars we can see. Okay, so it is the infinity. Okay, that is the answer. So see that the answer will come like this. Okay, that is power of accommodation. The ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called the accommodation with the help of the ciliary muscles. Okay, this is called the power of accommodation. Now, while telling about, again we studied at that time that it is having ciliary muscles having two, this relaxed as well as contract. Okay, when it is relaxed, the eye lens become thin. Okay, when it is relaxed, the eye lens become thin. Okay, so it helps to increase the focal length. So we will enable to see the distinct objects. Okay, when it is contract, the eye lens become thick so that they decrease the focal length, so it enables to see the nearby objects clearly. That is very important here. So here if it is of just one mark question, just you have to tell that the ability of the eyes to adjust its focal length is called the power of accommodation. Okay. Now the other is, look, near point of eye, that is it is the 25 centimeter of normal eye. Okay, the minimum distance of distinction, that is the 25 centimeter, that is for one mark. Okay, it is there. Now far point means it is not infinity for the normal eye. Okay, the far point, okay, we can see it is. Okay, so that is the answer of this first and third question. Now we will move to the other question. Now a person with a myopic, myopic means you know that it is a short sightedness. Okay, that is near sightedness. That is, we can see the object which is very near to us. Okay, but we cannot see the far away objects. Okay, now I cannot see the object beyond to 1.2 meter. Yes, 1.2 meter. Now up to 1.2 meter, okay, the objects can be seen. Beyond that, it is not possible to see distinctly. Okay, now what should be the type of corrective lens used to restore the proper vision? Now you know that it is of what the issue is here. The issue is myopic, short-sightedness. Now you know that it is the short-sightedness. What must be used? The concave lens must be used. Correct? Concave lens. Okay. So concave lens. Okay, restore them. So why? Because for the short-sightedness, okay, we have to use the concave lens. Sure. Okay, that is very important. Okay, now we will go to the next, that is fourth question. Third question already we discussed. Now here, a student has difficulty in reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. You know that. Normally we discussed also in that. Okay, while sitting in the last bench, he cannot see. That means myopia, nearsightedness. What could be the defect of the child is suffering from? Nearsightedness. That is, he cannot see the distant object. That means nearsightedness, myopia. Okay, how can be correct? That is, now only we see that. Okay, that is what it is. The reason is concave lens is there. Okay, so the student is suffering from the called myopia. Okay, that is the third, that is second question. Fourth question is similar almost. The student is suffering with the eye defect named myopia. Okay, in this defect, person can see the nearby object clearly, but cannot see the faraway objects distinctly. It can be corrected by using concave lens. Okay, yes, now only we see that. Okay, how can be, it can be corrected. So this is the answer, concave lens for correction. And a defect is myopia, that is near sightedness. Sure, got it well? Okay, then we will move to the other. Okay, so that was about the index question. Okay, now some exercise question we will see here. Now first is so objective. The human eye can focus object at a different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. That is what we discussed. It is what called a power of accommodation. Okay, it is called the accommodation. That is power of accommodation. That is simply accommodation also we can say. So the answer is accommodation. No need of, okay, here it is. That is the option here. You know that if the adjustment of the focal length of the lens in order to see the object which is very near to, as well as which is very far away from us. That is what the power of accommodation is. Okay, now here look, the human eye forms the image of the object at its, you know that the screen of an eye is what called the retina, it is called. So it is found on the retina. Okay, and next is the least distinct or distinct vision. That is, we see that is all called, it is also called the nearest point. Okay, young adult with normal vision is about, you know, it is of 25 centimeter. So 25 centimeter is the answer. That also it is a repeat actually. Okay, now change in focal length of an eye lens. Okay, it is not lens, sorry, it is of lens. Okay, is caused by the action of, yes. Okay, now you know that again, that also now only today only we discussed the ciliary muscles. Okay, when the ciliary muscles relax, the lens become thin. Okay, so that because of the lens is thin, okay, we can see the distinct object clearly because its focal length increases. Now when it is of contract, okay, when the eye lens contract, okay, we can see the nearby objects. That means its focal length decreases. So who is doing all this? Is ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles is relaxing, as well as ciliary muscles is of contract. When it is so relaxed, distinct object can be seen. Okay, when it is of contracted, nearby object can be seen. So it is the answer is of ciliary muscles. Okay, so ciliary muscles is the answer. Sure, all of you. So you got these objectives. Okay, read the textbooks very well. So it will be easy for you to answer all questions. Okay, it is not like that these are going to ask for in the examination. Okay, any question can come from inside the textbook. So you have to read the textbook very well. Okay, now the next question, look here. Okay, a person needs a lens of power, okay, minus 5.5 diopters. Now here the power of the lens. Okay, power is equal to, what is power is equal to? Power is equal to minus 5.5, okay, diopters. Now you know that power means it is 1 upon f, correct? So 1 upon f is equal to 0. Minus 5.5, correct? Okay, it is of minus 5.5, correct? Okay, then we can say that f is equal to, but it is minus 1 upon 5.5, correct? Okay, now in order to remove the point, we have to multiply 10 on both the numerator and denominator, correct? Okay, so that it is, we can say that, what we can say? So we can say it is, okay, which is equal to, what it is, minus 10 upon, what it is, 55. Correct? Minus 5 upon 55. So we can write this as which is equal to minus 2 upon 5. With the 5 we are cancelling, it is of 11. Sure? Minus 2 upon 11 means while dividing you will get it as, okay, that is 2 divided by 11, correct? 0. Okay, then what you have to give is here, it is of 0, 1s are, okay, 11, then it is of 9, okay, 0 we can give now, 11, 8s are, okay, 88, again 2, okay, it will continue like that. So you can write that, okay, 0.18 meter. Now here understand that it is meter. If you want, you can convert into centimeter, that is 18 centimeter. Okay, that is if you are multiplied with 100, it become 18 centimeter. No need. Okay, that is here. So it is minus. That is very important. Why it is everywhere? It is minus is there. Why minus? Okay, because okay, it is the concave lens. Okay, concave lens is using that. So okay, so that is what. Now it is okay, and for correcting his near vision. No, if it is of near vision, you know that. Okay, for the near vision, okay, but he need the lens of power plus one this what it is 1.5 diopters. Okay, now in this purpose, okay, that is here the P is equal to, what is P is equal to, okay, 1.5 diopters. Okay, that is again the same thing, 1 upon F is equal to 1.5, correct? So that F is equal to what it is 1 upon 1.5, correct? That is 10 upon what it is 15. Okay, so that much meter it is. Okay, again you can say that is 2 upon 3. Okay, that is 2 upon 3 means you know that 2 divided by 3, correct? 0 0.0, correct? Okay, so that you know that it is of 6 okay 18. Okay, it will continue like that. So 6 6 6 6 we can say 6 7, so that's 0.67 meter. Okay, that we can convert into centimeter, that is we can write it as 67 centimeter. Okay, so it is for the distinct vision. Okay, then what is the focal length of the lens for the distant vision and near vision? Understand? Like this we can do. Okay, so okay, in order to do this, okay, it is like this. Understand? Like minus 0.18 meter. Okay, here you have to write the meter. That also you can write as 18 centimeter. Okay, and here it is 0.67 meter. Here sorry, minus is there. Okay, and here you can write it as okay, it is 67 centimeter. Understand? That is the answer. Sure? All of you understand me like that to do? Okay. Then we can, I think you understand it properly, you can write it. Okay, you can do it. Okay, you will do the pose. Okay. Then, okay, we will move to the other one. That is sixth question. In sixth question, what is here? Look, a far point of a myopic person. Okay, no, myopic. Okay, myopic means nearsightedness. Correct? Okay, so that here we are using the 80 centimeter in front of the eyes. That is the convex lens is what using for the myopic person. Okay, and in front of the eyes. And what is the nature of the power of the lens required to correct the problem? Okay, now you know that. Okay, what you know? Okay, here you know that it is okay, a concave for a myopic person. What is using a concave lens is what using. Okay, now here the okay, here you know that. Okay, here we know that the myopic 18 in front of now the object distance. Okay, now what is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? Understand? Okay, nature and power we have to require. Okay, now you know that. Okay, that is here it is of the person object distance. That is we can say that u. Okay, u is equal to u is always 80 centimeter. Correct? Okay, now what they told is in front of the eyes, and what is the nature and the power of the lens. Okay, now here, okay, yeah, directly we get to go here. Okay, so here the u is equal to yes. Now u means normally what it is infinity. Okay, that is v is equal to, okay, it is minus, look, u is equal to minus far point. Now, so yes, far point of myopic person is 80. Okay, and in front of the eyes. Okay, now what is the nature and power of the lens required to correct that problem? Understand? Now for the myopic eye, now u is equal to minus infinity and v is equal to minus 80 centimeter. That is object is. Okay, now so f is equal to what it is given 1. Okay, now so that here what we are substituting all these values. Okay, so here it is lens formula. Okay, what it is 1 upon v, that is 1 upon minus 80. Okay, is equal to this is infinity, that is why we are taken it like this. Okay, so okay, there is sure that we can understand. Okay, because it is almost near about 0 it will become. Understand? 1 upon infinity minus infinity, that is of it is almost, we can say it is so negligible, we can say. Okay, it is 0, we can say. Okay, therefore we are not considering this, so that we are taking f is equal to, actually here it is minus only you have to come. Okay, but this is 1 upon minus infinity is almost equal to 0. Understand? Getting? Okay, so that what we are that is not using this. Okay, so that f is equal to, here this also it is not there. Okay, here it is. Okay, 1 upon f. So f is equal to, what is f is equal to? You will get it is of minus 80. Okay, so now the power is equal to P is equal to 1 upon f, that is in meter. So that 1 upon 0 minus 0.80 meter, but you will get minus 1.25 diopters. So the concave lens is using, and for that what is the, okay, the power is of minus 1.25 diopters. Sure, all of you? Okay, here that you have to understand. Got it well? Okay. So here we have to understand that we have to take u as infinitive. Okay, that is, okay, here the image must have to be object must have to be taken as a, okay, infinitive. Object distance, image distance is minus 80 centimeter you have to take. Okay, now the next is, okay, 7th question. Okay, make a diagram to show how the hypermetropic is correct. Hypermetropic means, you know that it is of a long-sightedness, correct? Now long-sightedness means we are using, what we are long-sightedness, we are using the, yes, that is nearby subject cannot be seen, so that we are using a convex lens. Understand? Okay, now the near point of the hypermetropic eyes is 1 meter. Now here it is, near point is 1 meter given, and what is the power of the lens required to, okay, required to come the, okay, correct this, it is correct. Okay, the correct this defect, okay, it is wrong. Okay, correct this defect, assume that the near point of the normal eye is 20. Yes. Okay, so same earlier. So you know that this is the defect. Okay, and we are using a convex lens, so diagram must be drawn like this. Okay, we are using a convex lens here. Okay, so that it will be properly followed. Now in this hypermetropic eyes, now the correction for the convex lens. Okay, now u is equal to, you know that, now u is always, now for a myopic, u is of what it is, infinity. Now in this case u is minus 25 centimeter. Okay, that you take care. Now v is equal to, it is given 1 meter, that is of minus 100 centimeter, that is here v is equal to. So again the formula is using here. Okay, in that okay, what you will get, you understand this? Okay, so that here it is 1 upon 100. Okay, minus 1 upon 100. Here minus is there. Minus 1 upon 100 plus. Now this minus into minus, it will become plus. Plus 1 upon 25. Now here what you are doing is, we are multiplying for here both numerator and denominator. So that, okay, what will come? Okay, it will become common denominator. So minus 1 plus 4. So 3 upon 100. Sure? Okay, so f is equal to 3 upon 100 means what you can write? Okay, you can write it as, okay, that much it is centimeter it is. Okay, 3 upon 100 centimeter. So in order to convert into, okay, now so here look, here I will explain little more here. Okay, so that here 1 upon, this is actually what it is. So f is equal to, yeah, now here this is what we got. Now look, everything is converted into 100. So f is equal to, here little confusion is there. So here f is equal to, that is 1 upon f is equal to, actually it is of 3 upon 100, what it is, okay, centimeter. Okay, so f is equal to, what it is, 100 upon 3, okay, what it is, centimeter. Correct? So which is equal to, now dividing 100 on 100, so that it is of 100 upon 3 into 100, okay, that is that much meter. So 100 cancel, so it will become 1 upon 3, what it is, meter. Understand here? Now see, now f is equal to 1 upon 3 meter. Now we have to find the p. What is p is equal to? P is equal to 1 upon f. Sure, that is in what it is, meter. Now already that, so p is equal to 1 upon, okay, now what is f is equal to 1 upon 3. Now this 3 become, okay, reciprocal of this, that is here, which is equal to 1 into 3 upon 1, correct? Okay, so that it is 3. So the answer is 3 diopters. Understand? That is for convex lens. Understand? This plus means it is convex lens. Sure, like that. This is okay. So the diagram must be drawn and all these sums must be done. Understand here properly? Now here you understand that for myopic, for myopic, what it is? For myopic, u is equal to, what is u is equal to? Minus infinity. Understand? V is equal to whatever is given. For hypermetropic, u is equal to minus 25 and v is equal to whatever is given. Understand? This is very important. You must have to remember in order to do the sums. Sure? Now, the next is what is a normal I? That is here. What is why is a normal I not able to? Why is a normal I? Why is a normal eye not able to see clearly the object placed closer to the 25 centimeter? You know that. In order to see the distinction, there must be a 25 centimeter distance must be there. Otherwise, we cannot see the properly. That is clearly we cannot see. Ciliary muscle cannot contract. The reason is that the ciliary muscle. We know that the ciliary muscle actually what it is adjusted. This ciliary muscles can contract the lens of the human eye to a certain limit. That is very important. But to a certain, now it can be contract to a certain limit. Beyond that limit it cannot contract, because we know that in order to see the nearby object, the ciliary muscle must be contracted. Understand? So now for that contract, we know that in order to do everything there is a limit. So in order to contract, while telling about, there is a limit for this contraction. Understand? Because of which a person with a normal eye can see the nearby object clearly if it is placed at 25 centimeter. Understand? 25 centimeter, it is clearly, that is contraction limit is 25. If it is very near to a further cannot change its focal length. Understand? It cannot change, that is contract. But if the object is placed closer to the eye, then it cannot see the object clearly. So understand the reason is because now in order to see the nearby object, ciliary muscle must have to contract. Sure, must have to contract. Understand? So it is having a certain limit. These are the 2 points. Understand? In order to see the nearby objects, ciliary muscle must have to contract. Now, and for it has some limit. That is, if it is of it's only up to 25 centimeter is it's possible. Further it cannot contract. Understand? That is, it cannot change the focal length, decrease the focal length, we can say. Like that. That is the answer. I hope you can study this. Now the next is what happened to image distance in the eye when we increase the distance of the object from the eye? Now look, now let the image be very near to the eye or far away from the eye. It will fall on the retina. Understand? The image will fall on the retina. Now then we know that there the importance of the eye lens. Understand? Now depends on the distance from the eye, what the eye lens will do, it will adjust its focal length. Understand? With the help of the ciliary muscles. Understand? So that let the object be anywhere. The image will fall on retina only. Then who will do it? Ciliary muscles helps to change the focal length of the eye lens in order to adjust this so that the image will fall on the retina. So the image distance in the eye remains same. That is very important. Image distance remains the same. On increasing the distance of the object from the eye, the focal length of the eyes changes due to the ciliary muscles. Understand it? And with the help of the eyes can focus the distance image on the retina. So that here the image distance not changing. But even though the object distance is changing, image distance is not changing. Sure? So that is about it. So I hope that you understand it well. Now you have to practice it. You have to again, and one more session, the remaining questions will be discussed later. But one thing is sure, that you have to study it well. You have to sit with it. More you practice, Okay, especially the sums you have to practice again and again. I hope that you understand all this. Okay, this you have to practice again and again. Okay, then only you will be, okay, you will get it. Okay, especially this, because here and all, okay, here it is there. So the myopic, it is u is equal, this, it must be thorough. Okay, for myopic it must be, okay, minus infinity. For hypermetropic it is of minus 25. Okay, these are the things you must have to remember, you have to keep it in mind, and this and all, I hope that you understand properly. Okay, so we will stop here today. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you.